Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing two easy egg recipes inspired from the trending viral wraps. They are also easy to pack and can be enjoyed as a meal on the go. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. And for that I have already rolled out two whole wheat rotis. I made this using 100% whole wheat flour, water and little salt. And I have rolled it out slightly larger than normal roti. Trending viral wraps is made with tortillas, which is made with refined flour, water and salt. Instead of tortillas, I am using whole wheat roti to make this wrap. I have already heated my roti tawa and I am placing the rolled out roti onto the tawa. And I am lightly cooking both sides of the roti. You can also reduce the size of the roti, but then the fillings will be less. To make it into a more filling meal, I rolled it slightly larger than normal rotis. This wrap can be had as a filling meal for breakfast, lunch or dinner. Once lightly cooked, remove to a plate. The rest of the cooking of the roti will happen later. So I'm going to remove it and keep it to another plate and allow it to cool down. Once lightly puffed, flip it over. I used 100% organic whole wheat flour to make this roti, and once done, remove to a plate. I am lightly beating one egg with pink Himalayan salt as needed. Heat a well seasoned cast iron pan with 1 to 2 teaspoons of wood pressed coconut oil. Instead of wood pressed coconut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood pressed oils of your choice. Once the pan is heated, add in the beaten egg and lightly scramble the egg. Once done, turn off the flame, add in freshly ground black pepper powder as needed and remove to a plate. Now keep this aside. To assemble the wrap, I am placing the cooked roti onto the work surface and I am running a pizza cutter to make a small cut. You can also use a knife instead. And I am also making a small indentation so that it is easier to wrap. So I have made a cut halfway through. On one portion I am spreading some green chutney, homemade green chutney. And on the next portion I am placing a lettuce leaf, and over it I am placing the scrambled egg. And on the next portion I am placing a lettuce leaf. I am just simply tearing the leaves and placing it. Some chopped onions, chopped capsicum and chopped tomatoes. And on the last portion I am spreading in 1 teaspoon of the vegan oil-free mayonnaise. I have already shared the recipe. Please do check it out. This is 100% oil-free vegan mayonnaise. Now to wrap this, take one portion and place it over the egg mix. And then the next portion over the vegetables. Now you can use any vegetable of your choice other than what I am showing today and place this over this. It's perfectly wrapped. So I'm going to toast this now. To toast the wrap, I'm using my cast iron grill pan. You can use your normal roti tawa instead. Once the pan is heated, drizzle in little bit of Desi ghee and place the wrap onto the grill pan. Lightly press it down and toast that side on low to medium flame. Drizzle a little bit of Desi ghee on top and turn it over. Turn it over once more. Turn it over again. Once done, turn off the flame and serve to a plate. And my scrambled egg wrap is ready to serve. I'm going to slice it into half and serve. To make the next recipe, I'm heating a well-seasoned cast iron pan with 1 to 2 teaspoons of wood-pressed coconut oil. Instead of wood-pressed coconut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood-pressed oils of your choice. Remember that healthy cooking is all about using the right quality of oils. So try to use wood-pressed oils for your better health. Now lightly swirl the pan so that the oil is nicely coated all over the pan. Into this, I'm adding in half chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, lightly give it a stir, add in 1 whole egg, quickly scramble the egg. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed, 1/4 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Today I am using Vigon turmeric which has high curcumin content. Half teaspoon black pepper powder, freshly ground black pepper powder, and quickly mix this really well. Once the egg burji is done, transfer to a plate. Now to make the wrap, I am running a pizza cutter and slicing one portion into half. Instead of a pizza cutter, you can also use a knife. And after that, I am making an indentation so that it is easy to roll. I am spreading 2 teaspoons green chutney all over the roti. I have already shared how to make green chutney in a much healthier way. Please do check the recipe. Next, I am drizzling 2 teaspoons of the oil-free vegan mayo, tearing and placing the lettuce leaf. Instead of lettuce leaves, you can use baby spinach or any green leafy vegetable of your choice. Next, sprinkle in the egg burji. Sprinkle some chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, and lastly some chopped capsicum. Feel free to use any vegetables of your choice. You can use any seasonal vegetable you have at hand. A drizzle of the vegan oil-free mayo and a drizzle of green chutney. And now let's wrap it up. And this will become a very filling meal for breakfast, lunch or dinner. So I'm going to toast this. A little bit of desi ghee on top. Carefully flip it over. Desi ghee on top. And once both sides are toasted, serve it to a plate. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.